You are implementing a webhook integration connected to an individual Azure Function endpoint for each deployment stage. You must validate each environment prior to promoting updates to production. After retrieving the endpoint URLs from the Azure Portal, you need to set up the webhooks using best practices. What is the correct sequence of 4 actions to perform?
Option A. Choose the option to register a fresh webhook.
Option B. Set up webhook key security.
Option C. Manually configure the webhook in production post-testing.
Option D. Access a solution inside the Power Apps Maker portal.
Option E. Set up an HTTP header security mechanism.
Option F. Push the solution to production after validation.
Option G. Launch the plugin registration utility.
Option H. Establish an environment variable for the URL of the endpoint.
To configure a webhook using an environment variable for application lifecycle management support across different environments, let us review the sequence.
I believe the correct sequence is: first, access a solution inside the Power Apps Maker portal. Second, establish an environment variable for the URL of the endpoint. Third, launch the plugin registration utility. And fourth, choose the option to register a fresh webhook.
This sequence is correct because you first navigate to a solution and create an environment variable for the endpoint URL. Then, you open the plugin registration tool and select the option to register a new webhook, binding the URL to the environment variable. This ensures dynamic resolution based on the target environment during deployment.
Options like manual configuration in production or specific authentication configurations are either anti-patterns or secondary steps that do not form the core initial registration sequence.